Everyone. So today I will let you know about a one important thing with the information gathering lecture. Right. So guys, if you are watching this, that means I have covered like almost 50 lecture on the real-time hacking. So you can visit my channel and playlist in description. I will give the link so you can visit on that. So guys, I know if you are watching this, that means you have covered multiple things which I have covered in my past lecture. So today, one important thing which I was thinking I should share with you, that is information gathering. We all know information gathering is the important things in the hacking because we have to first gather the information about or our target, right? So in information gathering or to get the information about target, we know we I have already let you know about the multiple sites through that you can get the information. But there is a some tool in through the terminal or the through the command which we can use to get the information. So that tool I will let you know. So that is who is, right? If you type here WHOIS who is and enter, so you will see there are multiple things you can use with this tool, like for with the host, with the port, and there are multiple things which you can do. So you just have something read something about this tool with the internet, so you will get an idea, right? So this is the tool which we can use for the information gathering. So let's example, if I type who is google.com, right? If you enter guys here, so you will see there are multiple information you will see, right? If you going up, so we have type who is google.com, and you see you will get the domain name, registry domain id, also server url, updated date, creation date, whatever information do you need about your target or web application, all the information you will get through the who is. You will see there are multiple servers which are using google.com. So through that you will get all information. I'm not going to explain all the things because you can see there are multiple things which uh, you can see here. There are multiple things which you can get through this command, and there are multiples parameters. With the parameters you will also get an multiple things with your target. So basically the purpose is that to let you know something, if you want something, gathering the information, so you can use the who is tool. So here you can see we type who is google.com, but you can type who is and IP, whatever your IP, right? So for IP, if you want to know the IP, google.com, right? So you can see you will also get an IP here from here. So I have write the command in notepad as I always use, so you will get a better understanding. So these are the command which you can use, right? So this is one command. Through that, this is another way which you can get other some important information here. So if I copy the IP, whatever your target IP, you can use through that, right? Just copy this. Okay. Okay. Oh, copy this IP just and remove this T and paste your IP, right? So this is the command which return you the multiples result about your target. So if you enter here, so you can see, right? If you go to the apps here, so you will get the multiple information, right? What is the net name, what is the net type, and right, reference updated, and reg date, or there are multiple things which you can get your you see there are also city name and address. So guys, who is just like a tool. There are multiple parameters. If you type with the help or you will search on google, so you will get multiples search command with the parameters which you can use on your local with your target. So you will get multiple information on your target, whatever your target, it doesn't matter. So you can use firstly to get the information. We know in our hacking, I have whatever let you know in my past video, almost 50 lectures. So you will get an idea how we, you know, how we gathering the information through the websites. There are multiple websites which you can gather the information. But if you want something gathering from the tool or through the command or Linux, so you will use these type of things which will help you to hacking your target. So guys, this is all in this video, and I will provide the my past lecture and my playlist tool or playlist and hacking tutorial link in description, so you will get all videos if you not see. So please subscribe my channel to get the upcoming latest hacking video. So that's all in this video. Thank you.